Да, трябва да се науча да играя билярд, знам. Какво имам предвид всъщност? Вижте следващите кадри, защото все забравям, че на билярда има и бяла топка. Добре, гледайте.
Step 1, we were just two friends having fun. Step 2, couldn't take my mind off of you. Step 3 is when you put your arms around me. Step 4, we weren't just friends anymore. When you look my way, nothing left to say. Just the way that I feel, it's all I can do. Not to touch your lips, not to kiss your face. Nothing left to say. Let's take it to the next step. Oh, cause we've never been there before. Let's take it to the next step. Oh, cause my heart can't take anymore. Step 5 is when I left those tears in your eyes. Step 6, I don't even know what I did. Step 7.
Да, хора, ако сте харесали клипа, давайте по един палец нагоре. Вижте миналото видео и ще се видим когато се видим.